Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have two new dolls I'm showing you. One is from Paradise Galleries. He is PeekABoo, and the other one is a new doll that just came out. They're called Orijin Bees. First one, I'll show you her, since you could already see her in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll take her out. She's very, very cute. I love her face. You know what? She reminds me of the baby face dolls.
Yeah, I got her because she was cute.
Yeah, she is. She's so stinking cute. But,
well, I thought she was cute.
Yeah, she is. Oh my god, her hair is really soft. Wow. I could feel it right off the bat. So we'll take her out just like this. And she comes with a little...
like a headband or something, or some kind of multicultural.
What is it? Oh, that's what I think it is. It's like a headband.
Or you could get
like
extra bows.
Extra bows. They're hair ties for her hair, like hair bows.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get two little hair bows with her. She's got a white thing on her face. And go ahead and
cute.
take her out of the child.
Look at those dimples.
I know, I love her expression and her dimples. They're just so cute.
And oh my god, the hair is.
Isn't it very soft?
Very realistic.
It is.
Very realistical. Even her eyes, man.
And I mean, she's tiny. She's only, what, 12 inches? But I think she's so cute. You know, she reminds me a lot of the baby face dolls. I don't think she'll stand though. That's the only bummer.
Oh no, she's tiptoeing.
Yeah, she's got tiptoes. My daughter always walks
she
her
sits,
tiptoes.
right?
Yeah, she does. Oh my god, I love how the hair feels. The hair feels so nice. Like, just look at the hair.
Very realistic.
Yeah. So you could sit her down. She's got little chunky legs. She's wearing a cute little dress. And she's posable. Her face doesn't change when you move the arm. We have a doll that does that.
The haunted doll.
Yeah, we'll have to show you her on one of our next
But she's just a regular doll though.
Yeah. Yeah,
but she's cute.
Yeah, she's just a regular doll, but she does have a really cute facial expression. She'd be great for a child to carry around, take to the park, adventures and stuff like that. And then you could do her hair. She's very, very cute. So,
the Adventures of the Orijin Bees.
So I will include her link below in the video description. And then next we have the Paradise Galleries doll. This one is PeekABoo. He says PeekABoo!
Oh, Lottie.
So this one is really neat because he comes with two outfits.
He smells like baby powder.
He does. He smells really good. All the dolls from Paradise Galleries, they smell very good. Well, all the ones with the dental vinyl. Dental touch vinyl.
Is that Halloween?
Yeah, he's a Halloween baby.
What?
Yeah. Look at his little outfit. Isn't that so cute?
How cool is that? Dude, you're my buddy. My buddy.
He's
my buddy and me.
And he has a little hat.
I don't know about that hat though.
And
you got.
So you can put it over his
look at
eyes.
that! How cool is that?
It's like a little thing.
I thought it was a panda, but yeah, it's
kind of like a sleep mask.
Looks like a skull.
Yeah. And he has a little binky there.
We don't do binkies, boy.
And his certificate is right here.
PeekABoo.
He is number 177 that were made.
Hi.
And then we'll go ahead, we'll take him out. He's tied in there, so we just gotta untie the bow ties. He smells like very strong baby powder. And he's weighted. You know, I love him because he's floppy, just like a real baby. And you know what? He actually reminds me of Love, the 30th anniversary doll. Like, but a boy version of her.
Oh, his eyes look really cool.
But he doesn't he kind of look like her? And even the hair. Wow, his hair almost looks just like her. So he's like kind of, if you want to do boy-girl twins, you could get Love and him. And they would, yeah. So if you watch my previous video, you'll see how I combed out the mohair because his hair is kind of messy too. So I'll probably do that with him just so I can fix it up. And let's look at his body here. So he's got the cloth body. He has a really good weight to him. Take off his wraps right here. And take a look at his limbs because you can't really see his feet or anything. So, and even if we want to change him, we could change him into the Halloween outfit.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. He is so cute. I love his eyes.
Let's do it. I want to see Halloween. I like you. You smell so good.
He does. He smells very good.
He actually looks real though.
He does. He looks really realistic compared to some of the others. And he's big. Doesn't he seem like he's pretty long?
He's long.
He's got very long.
He's elongated.
So his limbs are not full limbs, but I guess that's for the flexibility, you know, because so they can kind of just fall. It makes them more floppy like a real baby. So I'm assuming that's why they do that.
Yeah, it's more realistic.
Yeah. When you hold him, his head kind of flops back and everything.
Like he's dead. Oh my God, he is heavy.
Isn't he heavy?
He's got like a big beanbag butt right here.
Yeah, he's even got a butt crack.
Oh Lord, his butt is cracking. You got a crack in your butt. What was it that Harper asked me about butt cracks?
I don't remember.
Or it might have been me and her. Why do we got cracks in our butt?
I don't know. She asked
so we
why
can
you
crack
have a
up
crack?
jokes. Yep.
Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put him in his little Halloween outfit. Try it out on him. I think this little skeleton outfit's so adorable. And my daughter, she's so funny because she saw the x-ray of a body like this. And she thought that the pelvis looked like a upside down, or like a upside down frowning face. And it actually does. Remember, she'd always say it's an upside down frowning face? Look it.
Oh Lordy.
Like if you look at it like this, look at it. It looks like an upside down frowning face.
Like some kind of smushed marshmallow monster.
I really like this little outfit. This outfit is so cute. The Halloween. He could be your little Halloween buddy.
He is. Boomer, what you growling about, fool?
That's because he thinks it's a real kid. Look at it. He thinks it's a real baby.
You want to mess with Junior? You want to mess with Bones? Look at you.
So the outfit is Velcro in the back.
He's being nosy.
He actually sits up pretty good, surprisingly. Because a lot of dolls that are floppy like that, they don't. So let's go ahead and put this on him.
Well, how do you put the face mask on?
Oh, you know, I think I'm supposed to do that first. He's got a little sleep mask.
Oh, come on, girl. You gotta put it right. Pull it over his face like this.
Oh, it's hard for me to see the
Well,
front
turn
view.
them towards you, fool.
Well, I want to keep it on the camera so they can see.
Yeah, but they want to see precision, not sloppy. Sloppy Joe.
So I'll go ahead and put this on him.
He does look like he's ready for trick or treat.
He is so cute.
Like Catboy.
And let me have a little binky. Look
Oh
at him.
my
He's
God.
all ready to go. You could go trick or treating with this little baby, and they probably think it's a real kid. Boo! Speculators.
That's right, baby.
Okay, he's even got a fist.
Mm-hmm. Fist pumping.
Fist pumping.
Pow.
And his other hand is just kind of open, but yeah, he's so cute. I love this little Halloween outfit.
All right, go on the other side.
I'm here if he wants to see.
There you go.
Okay, so I hope you like these dolls, and make sure you stay tuned for more fun videos. Again, my funniest video ever is coming up soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, and stay tuned till next time. Bye-bye.
Spook you later, baby.
Spook you laters.